What's up with the what's ups? Today on this episode of Mayhem and Motorcycles, it's time. Alright, well, I finally got just about everything to go ahead and get this sucker together. I was waiting on my engine stand from Lowbrow. That finally came in today, so I went ahead and pulled the bottom end and started getting everything out to get prepared for it. Now I'm going to attempt to do this by myself. I've done it once before with Mac McLeod out in Amarillo. Some of you have seen that video where we redid the top end for Shovelhead S&S. Now I will be leaning on my own video to get this sucker back together. So I think I have everything. I was waiting on cylinder base bolts, but I think these might be it. I will go everything as I'm going, and we'll find out as I'm doing it. But one thing I did notice is these. They bolted from the top through the head to the rocker and then to the head, which I was thinking they were going to be like these with the studs already out, so that way you use the nut to bolt them down, which is why I went and got these nice set of rocker head bolts. But now I got these. Now this is all S&S, so I know that there's a reason why S&S went with these to bolting down. I just really think these are ugly. So really right now that's all I know that's I'm worried about, because I don't want to bolt my rockers down if I'm not going to use these. But we'll see how far along we get. So a lot of y'all know that Born Free is about to hit up here in Texas here in about 2 weeks. Now I'm actually the one hired to do the drone and video out there, so I'll be getting there early to get some pre-footage in and whatnot before the pre-party, and then of course before the event. So that's one of the reasons I'm hoping to get this fired up in time to take it out. Now I do have a grass pass for the Spirit of Vengeance and for Shovelhead S&S. What was that? So anyway, like I said, if you guys are going to Born Free and y'all see me out there, come holler. I'll get y'all on YouTube. Alright, so I'm going to prepare, and I'm going to use this tool right now. Okay. And watch this video again, make sure I'm good to go, and then we'll jump in where we can. Always. All right. All right. We almost have a complete motor. That sucker's bad to the bone. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in spark plugs just to keep some dust out. But other than that, I think this concludes this episode of Mayhem and Motorcycles. It's already getting late and I gotta get ready for work tomorrow. But we'll see you guys on the flip side.